This is exercise 4.3, question number 1, third part. We will show the nature of roots of this question. This is quadratic equation. The question is to find out the nature of roots of the following quadratic equations, and also if real roots exist, then find them. Now we will first show that whether this quadratic equation exists the real roots or not. So if real roots exist, then we will find the real roots by using the quadratic formula. Here for nature of the roots, we will solve this by this method. Here a is equal to b is equal to minus 6 and c is equal to 3. After this we will find b square minus 4ac. This is discriminant. On the basis of this discriminant, we will show that whether this quadratic equation exists the real roots or not. B square means the b, this value of b square, 4 into a is 2, into c is 3. Minus 6 square is the minus square and 6 square. Minus square will become plus, minus into minus, and 6 square will become 36, minus 4 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. This will become 24. Now we will subtract these two. We will get here 12. It means b square minus 4ac is equal to positive 12. We know that when the discriminant of a quadratic equation is greater than 0, then the quadratic equation has two real roots. The nature of roots is actually three things: b square minus 4ac greater than 0, b square minus 4ac less than 0, b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. When we will get greater than 0, it means the quadratic equation has two real roots. When it is less than 0, we can say that this quadratic equation has no real roots. When discriminant b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then quadratic equation has also two real roots, but the roots will be equal. It means when b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, the quadratic equation has two equal roots. Now I will use, this is called the nature of roots in quadratic formula. Now I will use here one condition from these three conditions. Here b square minus 4ac is equal to 12. It means, I will write down here, b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, positive. The quadratic equation has two real roots. It means this quadratic equation has two real roots. Now the question is in x variable. Here x, I will write down here x is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, the two roots of this quadratic equation. This will become minus b is here minus 6 under root b square minus 4ac is 12, and 2 into a is here 2, Now minus into minus is plus, plus minus 12 is equal to 4 into 3, 12. 4 into 3 is equal to 12, and 2 into 2 is equal to 4. Now this will become 6 plus under root 6 plus under root 4 multiplied by 3 is equal to, I will write down here, under root 4 into under root 3. Under root 4 is equal to 2 under root 3. It means this will become 2 under root 3 divided by 4, comma 6 minus 2 under root 3 divided by 4. Now this is equal to 3 plus under root 3 divided by 2, comma 3 minus under root 3 divided by 2. It means the two roots of this quadratic equations are 3 plus under root 3 divided by 2, comma 3 minus under root 3 divided by 2. This is the quadratic formula of this quadratic equation, by which we find out these two roots. Also we learn here that the nature of roots of the quadratic equations. This was question number 1, part 3rd of exercise 4.3.